Good morning children, welcome back to our English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we will start our new grammar topic, that is verbs. V-E-R-B-S, verb. What is the name of our topic? That is verbs. Verbs is also called action words. Verb का दूसरा नाम क्या है? Action words. So let's start. What is this verb? What is written here? Come on, read with me. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. Again, look at the pictures and read the sentences. Pictures are given and outside sentences are given. First of all, we will complete it and then we will read it. Okay, so what is here? The sun. The sun. Why the is because in the whole universe only one sun is there. So I have written here the sun. क्या कर रहा है ये sun? What action is it? Verb is nothing but the action. कौन सी action कर रहा है? तो the sun shines. क्या कर रहा है वो? चमक रहा है. So what will we write? The sun shines. Right? Action word means nothing. यानी कि कौन सा इंसान क्या action कर रहा है उसे हम लोग verb कहते हैं. Just now I am talking. Which action I am doing? Talking. मैं अभी कौन सी action कर रही हूँ? बोलने की एक्शन कर रही हूँ. टॉकिंग. यू आर लिसनिंग. कौन सी एक्शन कर रहे हो आप? लिसनिंग. सो दिस लिसनिंग, टॉकिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग, वॉकिंग, ऑल दीज आर द वर्ब्स. इन सबको क्या कहते हैं? वर्ब्स कहते हैं. ओके. देन काउ. कैन यू सी काउ? व्हाट इज देयर इन हर माउथ? काउ. अ काउ डैश ग्रास. ग्रास क्या कर रही है? काउ खा रही है. ईट. राइट. अ काउ इट्स grass. Which action doing? Eating की action कर रही है. So we will write a cow eat grass. Which action? Eat action. So what is it? It is a verb. After that, can you see plant? छोटा, बड़ा, बड़ा and बड़ा. So what is it? What the plant is doing? क्या हो रहा है? It grows. हम उसको ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे. Increase we can't say, right? Tall we can't say. We can say grows. बड़ा हो रहा है. So the plant grows यानी बड़ा होना. The plant grow. Okay. Then understood? The sun shine. Which action the sun is doing? Shining. Which action the cow is doing? Eating. Which action the plant is doing? Growing. So a sun shine, a cow eat grass, and a plant grows. So verb means nothing. Whatever action we are doing, that word is called the verb, right? Just now I am talking. So what is the verb? Talk is the verb. Okay. Let's see another examples. Next one. Can you see two children? What they are doing? This is the mic. Mic in their hand, right? इनके हाथ में क्या है? Mic. So the mic is there and you can see the sign. ये sign किसकी है? This is the sign of singing. जब हम sing करते हैं तो this type के sign दिखाते हैं. So which action the children are doing? The children sing song. क्या कर रहे हैं children? Sing. So which action is here? Singing action is here. Which is the verb? Sing is the verb. Okay. The children sing song. Then Ram and Anu. What they are doing? A book is there. Ram and Anu dash stories. Story को क्या कर रहे हैं? Which action is doing? Read story. What they are doing? Reading a story, or you can say read story. Ram and Anu read story. Which action they are doing? Reading. And read is a action word, or you can say verb. Okay. Sing is a verb. Read is a verb. Shine is a verb. Eat is a verb. Grow is a verb. Now next. Can you see the stars? What the stars? The stars dash at night. Night में stars क्या करते हैं? Which action they are doing? So the stars shine. है ना? Stars क्या करते हैं? रात को चमकते हैं. Which action they are doing? Shining action. So the stars shine at night. Which is the verb? Verb is a shine. Next, can you see the duck? The duck dash in a pond. What he is doing? क्या कर रहा है वो pond के अंदर? Swim. The duck swim. Which is the verb? Verb is a swim. Which action word? Swimming कर रहा है. यानी वो कौन सी action कर रहा है? तैरने की action कर रहा है. So swim is the word. Now from this what you come to know? That doing word tells us what the person, animal or thing do. कोई कौन सी एक्शन कर रहा है वही डूइंग वर्ड है. ओके, another definition. Action word are the word that describe action. Action word वो word है या फिर verb वो word है जो action बताता है. Here what is the action? Shine is the action. What is the action? Read is the action. What is the action? Sing is the action. And what is the action? Swim is the action, right? So this is the verb. Verb here is nothing. Just now which action I am doing? Writing, है ना? Just now which action I am doing? Smile. Which action? Smile. Just now which action I am doing? Cry. So this cry, this smile, this walk, stand, sit, all these are the verb. Okay, ये सब क्या है? Verbs है. Here the spelling is W, not swim. The correct spelling is S-W-I-M, swim. Okay, S-W-I-M, swim. Now let's see the definition of verbs. So what is the definition? Action words are the words that describe the action. Action word वो word है जो action बताता है, right? उस word पे से हमको पता चलता है कि कौन सी action की हुई है. When I have written eat पे से हमको पता चलता है कि खाने की action किया गया है, right? When I write walk, so walk पर से हमको पता चलता है which action is going on to walk. Then they tell us what people, animals and things do. Verbs क्या बताते हैं कि किसी इंसान ने, किसी एनिमल ने या किसी चीज़ ने कौन सी एक्शन की है, वो क्या कर रहे हैं. They tell. Who tell? Verb tell. Action words are also called verb. Action word का और दूसरा कौन सा नाम है? Verb is the name. Words like shine, fly, swim, grow, etc. etc. means और भी है. ये मैंने सिर्फ थोड़े एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं. ओके, are verbs. These all are the verbs. So this is about the verbs. I hope you understand this. So we will meet in our next session. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.